No, you don't have school done today. So this is the ugly side of the cabin where we have quite a few supplies and other things. And we're trying to figure out outside storage. That has been a bit of a trick. Trying to keep living space in the cabin and no tools has meant that we have a lot of tools that just don't have a place. And we're trying to kind of stay true to the tiny house thing where we don't have too much. And because of that, it's like a revolving door, in and out, and in and out, trying to figure out what we really need and what we don't. So hopefully you'll be able to see me pump the water. It's nice to only have a couple loads at most when you're doing outdoor stuff. And I have a friend who makes these, and I think she does shippable, but she might just do local. But I'll put the link to her for her number and make sure to let her know that I sent her, because she does give me a portion of those sales, and it really helps us. Alright, so the water just boiled, and we're going to go take out the laundry. This is our laundry for the week. The only thing I have to remember to get now is all the washcloths. You don't want to put wet washcloths into your laundry basket. You don't want to put wet laundry into your laundry basket. It'll make things mold. So these are all dirty washcloths. Most of our laundry is underwear and socks because we reuse our pants and our shirts throughout the day. What?
mix again, then shouldn't that be enough?
Yeah, it might actually be enough now, but we still need to fill it up for later. So if you want to turn it, I'll fill this up.
Thank you.
And just put it right here.
I'm happy to turn it. Water, but thank you, by the way, for saying that. So I couldn't really figure out before what you meant.
That you need to not jerk at the top so the water comes out.
It takes a longer time if water comes out. I just needed it to like have a little bit less water.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See? And if we get this one on the stove,
You might need to move so you can help.
I know, but I'm filming.
Filming. This is one right there.
Alright, go ahead and turn it.
Remember to do it slow. Once one arm gets kind of...
You're sitting right in front of the camera.
No, it can see me. It can see what I'm doing too.
Okay, so you're going to turn it the other way too?
I actually was turning it the other way before.
Okay. Well, I'm going to go fill up the water. Thank you. At noon.
Okay, because she's trying to eat my fingers.
It's fine. It's to be expected. She's a goat.
Well, she's like sucking on them, trying to get more milk. Mom, is there anything else?
Huh?
Is there anything else? I'm done with what?
Yeah, there's lots else. Did you take all the sticks and put them into the compost pile? So what I'm going to do is, this is the last rinse. I'm going to take the clothes, put them in the wringer, and save the water. And then this rinse water that came off these clothes will go in to do the last load of laundry itself.
Goat grazing fence. Dismantled garden covers. Plant garden paint floor. Finish shower. Clips for goat collars. Chicken pen. Butcher rooster. Wash laundry. Milk goats. Move computer bag. Plant greenhouse. Water to greenhouse. Tin by woodshed. Let out chickens. Pick up garbage. Finish grow beds. Clean goat barn. Get rabbits. Use backyard hutches. Set up waterway. Organize attic. Rails for lofts. List for Josh Wood.
Okay, so what I need is for you to go get the gray wheelbarrow and come pick up all the pieces of wood that you see and get them into the compost.
Okay.
song.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kaya. Happy birthday to you. And many more. Make a wish. Blow it out. Oh my goodness gracious.
Like how pretty Granny made the cake?
Yeah.